Well, hello, and welcome to my shop slash studio now. And boy, if you had any idea how much time and effort I'm putting into learning how to do these videos themselves, you'd appreciate it, that's for sure. So, yeah, it's kind of tricky business here. So we're just going to take the cabinet off here. Take a look at this very well-built radio inside. And I know that because I looked at some photographs on the internet. And I think all it takes is just undoing these screws. Kind of wonder how the battery, maybe the battery housing stays behind. Let's see, because there's always wires that connect the battery to the radio. Okay, let's see how this goes now. So it's going. There it goes. Yeah, that's the clip that connects to the power cord there. It's a little bit interesting in itself, because when you look at it, it's got an elastic band tied to it. It's kind of unusual, eh? I wonder what the elastic band was supposed to do. I don't know. Okay, but anyway, I got the cabinet off quite nicely. Now, can we get at the volume controls in here? That's really kind of the issue. The volume controls are right down in here. Volume control, it's right behind there. Really nicely built radio. Now the foam is no longer foam. Yeah, foam is one of those materials that just does not last. Like look at the surround around the speaker, and I'll push the foam in here, and when I let go, it ain't coming back. This foam is shot. Foam, not good. Don't use it, anybody, for anything. Oh, there we are. We can kind of get at the volume controls this way. Great. Great. Volume control. And the rest of the radio looks pretty good. See, every time I look at something like this, I wonder, the guys who designed this stuff, how did they think through all the things they had to think through to get this to fit in here physically? I think that's a really big challenge. So let's get at that volume control. Now, on the video front, for the last, I don't know, forever, I've been experimenting with the methods for making videos. And I'm doing this 2-camera thing right now, which I really like, and I hope you like it too. I think I got the sound sorted out. In fact, I got everything kind of sorted out from a video making point of view. The problem I'm having now is the videos I'm making are huge files. Huge files. and it's taken me 12 hours to upload a single segment, and a video, like a 20-minute video, might be 3 segments. Well, maybe not quite that long to upload it, but it is a very long time. And I'm afraid it's disturbing everything I'm doing, because I'm getting a little confused with all these weirdly named video segments and the like. So I'm struggling mightily in the background to make this work well. And I'm looking carefully to see where I can spray some cleaner into that control. Let's take a close look with the camera here. I think I gotta get in a little closer here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'm trying to look right in the back there. To do its focus thing. So, that's a pretty complicated looking volume control there. What else is going on? That must be the on-off switch on the back of it at the top. Down below is the actual volume control part. It's got 7G, 14 written on it there. The terminal's got nothing connected to it. That's where I got to spray this stuff in there. The usual spot. Let me see if I can manage to do that. Wasn't quite ready for the working of the knob there. I can feel the cleaner having an effect. Now, often it's wiser to do this with a radio switched on so you can listen to whether you're really cleaning it or is there a certain area that is particularly bad. But I'm doing this without listening, so why? Because I didn't think of it in time. That was a little light bulb there. Okay, let's plug it in and see how it goes. Oh, that antenna is just as loose as can be. Look at that. It's ready to fall right out. Oh, I'll have to fix that. There we go. That doesn't sound good at all. I think maybe the control is damaged. Let's try something else here. have to replace this, I'm pretty sure. It's Gonzo, I think. I think all I'm doing is just wearing out what last little bit of life there is in this control. Isn't that a downer? Because it's got the on-off switch attached to it. It's not so easy to replace. It's very odd. Very strange sound, eh? Right in here, the control moves fairly smoothly, but back here it starts to kind of stick and jump. I'm trying to move it as smooth as I can, but it's not getting any better. I think that's a fairly serious problem with this radio. Yeah, that's too bad. None of the other controls are like that. All the other controls move nice and smooth. Oh, I'll take that back. Well, that's tuning. So is that. So this guy's in trouble too. Let's see what we can see here. And spray in a little cleaner. That's why my camera hunts for focus, eh? That's the volume. That's the tone. Ooh. That must be pretty loud because I got the microphone sitting right on top of the radio here. I just realized. The speaker is right there. Both these controls just... Yeah. That's really too bad. There's something kind of ugly about the the control knob out here. Have a look at this. Sorry. Is it doing something that's going up and down there? What happened to it? It almost looks like it's been melted in here. There's another knob in the same boat here. Let me pull this off. No, it doesn't want to come off. Oh, that's a switch. What's that for? Maybe to tone in and tone out? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Gee, I wonder if any of these others are switches. Oh, my gosh. And also, look at the symbol on this volume control here. There we go. Now it seems to be a switch, in and out. And it's certainly an on-off switch. What is this? Down for full. I don't know. And this one. Maybe it works in FM or something like that. That seems to make a slight difference in the volume. Like tone in, tone out. No. Got me as to what that is. Maybe somebody out there knows what these symbols mean. So, well, it's too bad. You watched me tune this for a while the other night. It was lots of fun, but the volume control is a junker, and the tone control is going right behind it. So, I think they have to be replaced. I think it's the only way to fix that, and yikes. Where would we ever get exact replacements? You have to have another one of these radios. Probably has the same problem. Oh well, too bad. That's where we're at on this radio now.